morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, thank God for today. I want to use this opportunity to talk about, some questions and some issues going on online. People are asking, people are saying that Ekpa is arrested. In fact, somebody wrote me and said I should make a comment about Ekpa. I've told you, there is no way Finland will want to support something like Biafra without clearing themselves and making themselves to be cleared. I told you that Finland is trying to prove a point. And what point are they trying to prove? That they are not supporting anything evil, but they are not equally against anybody fighting for his freedom. Finland can never be against anyone fighting for his freedom. We know, Nigerians know, everybody know that Ekpa is not a terrorist. Ekpa is only fighting for Biafra. It is very, very clear. And whatever Finland is doing right now is to come to a point where they will align with Ekpa's vision, so that it will be popularly known that these people are not supporting anything evil, rather they are supporting a good cause. So it is a reasonable thing to do. It is a reasonable thing to cross-check. It's a reasonable thing to, find out, do what they're supposed to do in order to, to stand on the right side, so that anywhere they go, they won't, be robbed into something that is, that will mess up their integrity as a nation. So whatever they are doing now is to bring Ekpa to a point where it will be clear that Ekpa is fighting for a just cause. So everything that is happening on cause. It's not something that is happening. You cannot say you don't understand what I'm trying to say. Finland, they are in support of Biafra. Otherwise, they wouldn't allow Biafra to declare their nation in their land. Finland also fought for their own freedom. They can never be against what they have been into one time, in their lifetime. So whatever they are doing now is to clear Ekpa. And the only way to clear Ekpa is to bring him to a point of scrutiny, where they scrutinize him and they will prove to the world that they have scrutinized this young man and they have found out that he's not doing anything evil. That is where they are. So Nigeria is losing out, because at the end of the day, they won't find anything evil against him. Remember that remember that UN have written to Nigeria to release Nnamdi Kanu. Why? Because they know that Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist, rather he was fighting for freedom. And Ekpa is also in the shoe of Nnamdi Kanu. So there is no way you expect, Finland to prosecute him and send him to jail for nothing. Remember, this is not the first time Finland have picked interest in Ekpa's matter. So at the end of the day, they are working. It is going to be for good. So wherever you are, never it's just like a man who is fighting for something that he believes that is going to advance his life. You're going to face challenges, but at the end of the day, you will win if you are determined. So we are determined, we are resolute. Now, about the change of government, the people that were dropped and other people were picked, it's not a new thing, because it has already been, Ekpa has said it, that after the convention, they are going to step down some people and pick other people. Now, there are weaklings. It's not everything I'm going to say. There are weaklings. There are people who are easily bought over. But at the end of the day, they are sure that whatever they are doing it for the actualization of Biafra. And hear me, I repeat what I have said. Biafra must come, and it's not going to be far from now. Keep your feet high. Keep your hope high. What my advice for my Yoruba brethren and for my Hausa brothers is to fight for their own nation. Break away from Nigeria. Nigeria has become a disease, because it's a UK, is a United Kingdom company. Let's break it.